tucked away in the middle of nowhere in a mountain range. Why is this ghost town? Let's have a look around. Quite a lot of houses indeed. And even going this way, there's a couple vehicles, an old milling operation. So I'm going to begin on this side. So going through this way. It appears the roof has collapsed in on itself. Dang man, this is flooded like this. Like, I wonder if this stream just rerouted, because there's no way they would have built it this close to a stream. Like, I'm walking in just mud right now. See, how can we get past this? Just trying to have a look inside the house, you know? Made my way in. Got like some sort of closet. Then the fridge. Which this place isn't actually that old, or no, this is that's the shower, man. The propane tank. There's no way in hell we're getting past this. Got a couple of houses. Let's check them out. That one's in pretty rough shape. This one's in even worse shape. The whole thing is non-existent now. That's just, whole roof's collapsed in on itself. It's gone. Just a shell now, and there's a second vehicle further up. Check out the house in a minute. Beginning, got the fridge sitting outside. In like a storage room. Nothing left behind in it. The second one. Now let's go have a look at that house, because this looks especially interesting. Like, I love looking at that roof, just how half of it's gone. And check this out. The whole stream is going right up to the foundation. It's definitely gonna rot away. This place is just absolutely overgrown though. Going on inside. Let's see. Entering into the kitchen. Yeah, this house, I'm definitely watching where I walk, just because I don't trust the flooring in it. Looks like we entered the bathroom. Got the tub. Then looking out this way, okay, they had a porch out there. We'll have to check that out in a minute. Oh, good old medicine cabinet. Bunch of cupboards and whatnot. This was the kitchen. Oh man, check out that oven. That's just decaying. Going this way. Got a bedroom. And as we traverse our way through into what I assume is the living room, Go into another bedroom. Got the old dresser right there. And looking into a closet. Yeah. Now we're definitely not getting through this way as much as I'd like to. That's just completely inaccessible. So you could imagine back in the day, they probably had like, they would just sit out here and relax and whatnot. Now their whole front yard's completely flooded. Got a whole stream going through it. Okay, I'm back and we're now going to check out these 3 houses. Then we got some others to have a look at. Some neat remains. That's the one we originally looked at. So I'll begin with this one, right in the middle. Right off the bat, looking almost like a bunkhouse, which I do think that is what it is. Like a kitchen in this small individual room. You're going this way. A bedroom. Which I am kind of going quick just because like I feel like a lot of this is going to look the same. Yet another bedroom. Not much else to say about it. And then for the final room in this house, a bedroom. Once again, same exact design. Which is very overgrown. Like, are we even gonna make our way in? Through all this vegetation. Right off the bat, a mattress pad, propane tank. Dude, this is wrecked. Like, this one looks kind of older than the other ones, kind of ages it. Which that'll happen, you know, usually when a mine begins, before it gets big, it's a small mine. So we just have maybe 1 or 2 cabins, and then they realize, wow, this is a pretty profitable place. And that's when a lot of people come in and a lot of the other cabins get built. And houses and whatnot. Yeah, it's just a small 2-room cabin. So we had to look at that cabin, this bunkhouse, and now on to the 3rd one. I'm gonna have to make my way through the window. I don't know where the entry is. I don't want to keep walking through all that plant life. So we enter into a bedroom. And continuing, check this out, we got a cool old furnace right there. This place was very cold. Yeah, I think this was like another bunkhouse type of design. Which apparently this was the entry. Could have gone that way. That's how we'll end up leaving. Onto this one, another bedroom. Not a whole lot left. Then a couple mattresses laid out. You know, it's just absolutely fascinating to think about. Like, someone spent their days off in this room and slept here at night and then went to the mines in the day, and their whole lives were spent in this place. Like, there's memories of someone and like they're gone now. That's pretty trippy to think about. We have this like closet type of room. Continuing onward, got a house, and there's supposedly one behind this one. So got two houses on this side. And after this, I was looking at my satellite maps. Apparently there's others that we missed that way. So, which is so much shrubbery, you just can't see them. They're just covered. Oh man, a lot of signs of rats in this one. There's quite a lot left behind in this one too, so should be quite interesting. Good old kitchen, right? Pack rats have gotten into it. They've taken up this one as their residence. Yeah, this one's sketchy, dude. I'm looking out for all kinds of critters right now. Got the shower right there. Then on this side's the bed. I'd say not a bad layout. I'd be comfortable living in something like this. Now they have the windows barred as if they live in Sacramento. So that's the cabin we just looked at. And apparently there's another one on this side. Well, yeah, I see it right there. I was looking for it on the other side, but it's almost like inaccessible. It's just so overgrown. Let's try this way. That metal ring you see, that's the drainage that goes over the road. And check this out. Because they put it there, all the flash flood water and whatnot, mud, comes and hits this house directly, which has caused this to happen. Half the house is buried now. And I'm just trying to figure out how we get in it, dude. All these screens are shut. That's the entry, but look how overgrown this is. There's absolutely no way to get into the main entry. So I went through that, which I'll put it back when I leave. And then we got the house, which is sunken into the sand. And man, it used to be locked at one point. Now we just traverse our way through. So this is the most overgrown one I've seen as of yet. Like, look at all this plant life. The windows coming out. Two closets apparently. And then a window. Oh, check that out. This huge piece of machinery. And then I assume this was a bunkhouse that is just completely torn up now. not really much to say about it. Although one neat thing about this one, got the chimney, which is buried. At least this one has a slight trail, even if it's not much. And this is what I've seen. Pretty neat. This is a second level for this mill. It's difficult to see, although down below that piece of wood is the first level, second level, we're on to third level. Which mills are usually 3 levels, but some are a bit different, from my experience anyway. That's just the remains of a mill. Coming up on this side is a second mill. Get all the levels in it too. Awesome mill. And this is it for today's episode. Amazing ghost town. Let me show you it one last time, like an overview. Those were the houses we originally checked out. Those are the 3 like bunkhouses. The others are further into those woods. Across from us is what we just checked out. And yeah, that's it for this one. A gold mine in the sky.